Okay, so whenever you dance, it's very important to direct your energy down to the floor. So when people dance ballet, they have this, we call it elevated rhythm, high rhythm. When we dance Latin ballroom dancing, we have a compressed rhythm, compressed rhythm. So everything in Latin will be directed down, always down to the floor, and walk, and walk, and walk, everything down. So how to create? So we have this count, it's called and. So close your leg like this and do release your muscles into bone and squeeze your, in this case, left side. In this case, it's much easier to produce that famous rib cage magic button and go up, down, and imagine there is a very heavy belt pressing on you, and this leg become extremely straight, super straight leg, and then do exactly the same on the other leg, and feel like there is a nail from your shoulder through the side into the leg into the heel, and pressing down, and so using gravity to produce that movement. Then take any movement, especially in your rumba and cha-cha, and check it through the end, and walk, and walk, and walk, and melting into bone, pressing down. Then you take a walk, and then walk, and walk. Let's do a reverse angle. And down, forward, and 2, and 3, 4. Direction of movement is always down, and 3, basic. Forward, and 2, and 3, and forward, and 2, sliding door, 3, forward, and with the end feeling. And that end is actually what helps to create that very powerful rib cage. And then you can take a step, which is always very tall. And then you again melting, pressing down into the bone, into the leg, into the heel. So ground and dancing is very important.